Number 4, playing at a...
Biscuit's still beating me.
Everybody's beating me.
All you want to do is read books and go to sleep. And when you get a run, you're here instead of there.
Well, I'm trying to feel the OU.
Slow. Turn around. Ding, the old teeth go.
How big is it? £2?
About 4 ounces. With lead weight. Not that one, Mick. No. One behind me. That's the boat net. Where's the one behind us? There.
Right. Hurry up.
Hurry up?
Yeah, I've got other things to do.
Yeah, right, so have I.
Yeah, well, nothing more desperate than I've got to do.
Oh, right.
Want to smile for the camera? Oh, smiling, are you? No, no. Well, I don't then. What's it?
Bloody grey grass.
Oh, there's a lawnmower, yeah?
Yeah. No. 24mm bottom bait. One of our fishing.
Ah, not one of mine.
Not one of your fishing. They also work on barbels.
It's only a 2-hour tape, this, chaps. Yeah. I bet there's no welly you got on there.
Feels like it, yeah.
Yes. It's a small grass carp and half a ton of weed.
It's got a better fight than what we did the other did the other night. The other time basically come quite quickly in. We could push it in.
Over here. I'm sure that tree's getting nearer the other side.
Oh, it's 8 rods. I've been out since 11 o'clock this morning.
Yeah. Well, that one over the back of that barbelon's been out since about 1.
That's been bouncing all afternoon, that is.
I must admit, it's the most I've seen your rods bend.
Huh?
The most I've ever seen your rods bend.
More when I had that sturgeon, isn't it?
Well, possibly that. That was night time.
What garb? There's that one, isn't it? I know that voice.
I ran out of tape before long.
Fade it out in.
It's only an hour and a half.
We'll fade it out. We'll get some footage, otherwise all we've got is scenery at the moment in toilets.
Yeah. It's very true. Unfortunately, you weren't in them. Oh! The grass, isn't it?
Huh?
Grassy?
It's grassy. Yes.
There he comes. In.
Come on.
Well done, Mick.
Common.
The common. Lovely jubbly. $35.
The same fish as he had up there last night.
I think there might be some old commons left in here. Do you want to have it with you?
You put in the kipper bag.
You got any marks?
There's a big old chopper, isn't there?
Got a mark on the side.
What do you want?
Forceps.
Oh. What are you guessing on this one, Mark?
I got the same fish as like the Dutch guy had last night.
Nice Mick, probably.
Shut up.
And shot my wine over. The end of the world. Oh!
Your wine.
Yeah.
Good.
Big mouth on him.
Get my cameras in the just beside the doorway.
Is that it in that bag?
No.
No, I'm on his bed. With all the cutlery in front of it. Clink. Ah! Who flung down? What do I reckon? £38. Gonna pull the net back. Gonna pull the net back, mate. Nick.
Put the net back here.
Yeah. That's it. He's in. Oh, beauty. A good 38, Mark.
Huh?
A good 38.
Yeah.
I reckon it's bigger than it's not the same one.
Oh, that's very good.
No.
42. 44. 50.
Personal best common.
Got him.
45.
46.
46. Yeah.
£46 and a bit.
Yeah.
Come on!
Yes, 46.
What's up, Lil?
Right. Yep.
Well done,
Martin.
A 46 pound common from Chef de
Yeah.
Ville,
They flashed it.
No.
Northern France,
Won't do on video.
Alright.
via the River Marne.
Yeah.
Right.
You okay?
She's gonna go.
The shot didn't go. I didn't see the shot fire, so.
Do it, lift it up with the...
Oops, slashing around everywhere.
Yeah. Oh, it's cold.
Serves you right.
Smells. Oh shit.
You've had a deep bit. That's deep there, Martin.
Say that, yeah. It's like that sank when it was.
Yeah.
One more step back and it would have been 18 foot of water.
£46, what all the odd ounces were.
You can grab it.
Alright.
£46 a few ounces. The £46 would do. He's going back. He wants to go. Are you enjoying it?
Lovely.
On Premier Bait Specials.
Who say they don't work, eh? See you later, girl.
Can't see Manky Martin in the picture, do we? And he's gone, she's gone, that's it. And there we have
The trousers wet now.
drowned Martin. Are you happy, Martin?
Fantastic.